Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to track your order on Argos. So for that case, you have to first of all go ahead and log in into your Argos account. So open up a browser, type in argos.co.uk and enter in your credential. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, go to account from the top right hand side corner, and it's going to take you to your account page. You can see there's this option as recent order. You can under it there is check your order status and delivery details. You could go ahead and press the link that says recent orders, and next interface is going to ask you to go ahead and enter in order details such as your order number, and you go ahead and press on find my order. When you actually press on the order number or type in the number, then you could go ahead and press on it, and next page you'll be able to see the status of your order. In that way, you could go ahead and track your order on your Argos. That is all for this. On your Argos account, that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.